And I hear Maxie getting ready to launch. Let's go. Good to see you back, baby. What a great launch. One of the best launches there is. So fast. And it's really a great ride. The only trouble is it's a short ride and it needs, you know, it's on this, there's not much room to put it, but I would be in favor of, gosh, there we go. Black Demon again. Oh no, that's Red Demon. So we got those old Arrow loopers still here, which is a beauty to see. And look at Raging Bull. Raging Bull might only be on one train up, so they usually have that thing going. Come here, Brooksy, let's go. Right over here, actually. Sorry, let's go this way.
Dad, I wanted to ride.
You want to go ride Maxie? We got to come back.
And Max.
Viper?
Yeah.
You want to go do it?
Yeah. Why not? We'll go do it.
All right, let's go do it. I got a fast lane for us.
Okay.
Should we jump on?
Yes.
Raging Bull. Look at her going. Teal. What? Coaster. And we got Viper. Brooksy wants to go jump on Viper. And there's a lot of people who love Viper. It's probably towards the bottom for me, because there's just so many better Woodies that I mean, I grew up on the Beast, so it's really, nothing's going to compare for me. But we're going to go in the fast lane way over here to Viper. Okay, let's go get our drinks.
From Windy City.
And then we'll go. Look at the wishing well. They didn't even get the pennies out.
What?
I said they didn't even get the pennies out of there. Did you see that? I'm surprised you're not jumping in and grabbing them, knowing you.
Well, we can't. We're not allowed.
All right, that's a good rule follower. I appreciate that. I've been raising you good, I guess, huh? That was just a, whoa. There's a launch again. Look up here.
Next one.
Problem with it's so quick, but it is, you'll love it. Like that launch is just nothing like it.
Does it go like 108 miles per hour?
It goes like 74 or 78, something like that on the launch. And it's like a 0 to that in just a couple seconds. So it's like being in the Tesla Rampage mode or whatever it's called. And as much as I love Six Flags, the only trouble is the food here is not great, but this is one of the better spots for a burger. Oh my Lanta. Oh my Lanta. I don't think that's going to be possible to wait in this line.
I'm still waiting.
I remember this from last season, is that they just don't have that dialed in. And it was like a 2-hour wait for food. You're going to wait this? I think I would skip it. Will you guys decide? Me and Brooksy. Okay, Parker's gonna wait. Me and Brooksy will go ride something and we'll be back. You guys get the food.
What are you guys going to ride?
Max Force. You wanna wait for food or would you rather go?
But it's so far away. But
Yeah.
so far.
It's okay, you can wait with Mom. Whatever you want.
Oh. Can I ride it later?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we're loaded up with drinks. Trish is gonna stay and wait for food, so God bless her. And we are gonna be riding Maxx Force. Let's go. We're doubling back. Alrighty, so we were gonna get on Maxx Force, but we're gonna have to wait because it just went down. That's one of the reasons why I want to get on early in case something happens to it.
We're doing rapid.
So let's go do, boy, what do I see over here? Should we try our luck?
Yeah, Brad's your favorite ride. Brad's Brooks' new favorite ride.
Ooh, Let's just take a peek over here back at Whizzer and see what we see over here. And see the Skytrek Tower is closed there. Let's just look and see the track over here at Whizzer. Let's hope Max Force gets going here. We'll jump on. But yeah, Whizzer's getting 14 new pieces, 50 years old. All right, guys. So, Windy City. The burger's pretty good over here. The nuggets, the boneless, they call them, so-so. The thing they have is really good celery, and their garnishes are always really kind of crispy, which is nice. Consider this to be one of the only edible places in here. You try the Johnny Rockets. I mean, bad. Just bad. Not edible.
I just bacon on Johnny Rockets bad.
Okay. Alrighty, Brady boy. What?
Could I ride the indoor dark like that, man?
Well, you can definitely do that because Brady wants to do that one, right, Brady boy?
Is that tall enough?
Yeah. And look at Raging Bull. Let's go jump on the bull. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Never looked so good since I've ever seen it. I think they like restored her to the original glory. And yeah, I'm excited to see these kiosks they've installed at every. Gotta love the subtle little upgrades here. No drop tower today. Raging Bull. I cannot wait to jump on. One of these days, you guys will be tall enough to do it. One of these days.
Get on my lap.
Yeah.
Thank you. You got to sit in yourself.
Okay, so literally all the main rides have this now. Not operational yet, but there's Raging Bull's little ticketing system. And again, I think it allows you to print your fast lane as a printed paper in case you don't have phone access or on the ride. You're going to go on that with me?
Yeah. I'll go on the front. I'm going on the front. I'm going on the front. I'm going next to you.
All right, big guy. Let's do it. I've been always up there with my number one. You know, Wrath. I think a Wrath and this are my two faves, and X-Flight's a great one. And then, you know, as you go down the list, there's a lot that might be number ones at other parks. I mean, Goliath, Superman, X-Flight, or I mean X2, and or V2. God, I can't even talk. Vertical velocity. That is what I'm trying to say. This is one of the new things I'm interested to see because they changed up the fast lane process. Used to go in right over here, and just look at this beauty. And yeah, we got single train ops. So this is gonna be a long line. And so they got a whole new set of stairs is the big thing. I guess those stairs were getting old, but it kind of goes up the same way. But yeah, they're looking great. And so we must go in the back way. And we got the bull.
Welcome back. How was our ride?
This is the original Hyper. Set the stage for a lot of great coasters to come, and it's still got it.
Raging Bull, and enjoy.
We got Teal up and running.
Raging Bull. Be sure to check out.
What's your rating for that one? That was awesome, huh? Bull is better than ever. And just the new paint job, incredible color. What'd you think of that one?
5 goods.
8 goods.
That's right with the first time, right?
Yeah, the first timer. And that was incredible. Cannot wait to get back on. And Bull's running single ops right now, and 2 hour and 15-minute wait just was told for the Bull. So if you got on today, enjoy it. It's a good one. We're gonna keep moseying on. ride under the track here. So cool. We'll come all the way up here. Wow. Man, you walk right under it. And look at Teal going. We're gonna stand right here and wait for it. See Viper going. All right, wait here a second, guys. Slide over, guys. Wow. I'm gonna come right over top. This next element over here comes back around. The best part of the whole thing. And yeah, just shining so bright, but man, look at the queue. It's a long one today. And yeah, I like the new steps, I guess. I didn't even realize it was needed. All right, Chubasco boys. And it's a good one. Come on.
Gonna spin, Dad? We're out of here. Let's go to fastest. Yeah, let's go to fastest. Yeah, when are we going to school? Not anymore. Not anymore. We're going the fastest.
Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Look at Brady boy.
Please remain seated until.
How many goods is that one? A 0 good rating for Brady. Wow, you have quite the range, sir. All right, we're over here at the Hall of Justice. And old Brady boy loves this one, and unfortunately he's been being good all day, so he gets to ride his first ride. He hasn't even rode anything. Oh yeah, second ride, and he's going back-to-back rides. All right, Brady boy, are you excited?
Can we ride together?
We could ride together.
You'll now face the full force of my plasma blast. Well. Target and destroy the intruders.
Let's move! Go ahead, guys. I've got it.
Now get him, Billy.
Brady, what'd you think, big guy? Oh man, Mr. Claw. Hey, Mr. Claw, time to go. Those ducks are from last season. Those are last season ducks.
But these are different ducks.
You think they can restock the ducks? All right, we're over here on the backside of Southwest Territory, crossing over the tracks. I always love this little spot here through Demon.
Because of the gate. What? Yes. Wait, what if
Whoa. Good old Demon. What a beautiful day. What a fantastic opening day. Better than expected. We got the bag toss. And it's jam-packed over here. Yeah. Should we shop for, what do they got? Ooh, see some new gear this year.
Oh, look,
Dino.
it's the Magic Nerds!
Oh, the Magic Nerds.
Yeah. I think the magic ones are only here, right?
I think we should get some twin snakers.
Magic Nerds!
No, we just,
Wait, we're also magic?
I guess we'll try.
Ready to X-Fight?
Let's do it. That's your favorite, right? That was your first big coaster, and will that always be your number one?
My first big idea was actually Goliath.
Exy Flighty? Is he gonna do it?
Yes, I am.
All right, come here. What are we doing? How excited are you?
100% excited.
100% excited. Apple pie.
Candy Skittles.
All right, still presented by Skittles, huh?
The presents sent by Skitties. That's my favorite candy. What's yours?
Favorite candy, favorite ride. How about that?
Yeah.
It's meant to be.
I hope it's not delayed.
They rebranded the Flash.
I wonder if Mr.
It's not delayed, it's just very slow because it's single train off, so we're gonna have a little wait, but favorite part right there.
This top secret mission.
Top secret mission.
Must remain seated.
What up, Trish?
Inside the aircraft at all times. And your head against the
first
headrest.
time I rode
Loose items may not be carried
I
on.
had to wear my
Secure all
shoes.
hats and glasses.
Yes, you did, I remember that. But now you could go barefoot if you want. You gonna try it?
Go ahead.
Flight recruits.
Why don't you try it? You never did it, right? It'd be too long. We'll do it in the summer.
Failure to do so will result in a compromised mission and your removal from the flight.
We don't want to compromise the mission, do we?
Mission
That's
excellent.
why you guys better tell. I'll be cleared for takeoff. Remember tower to mission excellent. You are cleared for takeoff. Prepare for departure. Now, get ready as we take this mission to the skies.